When the I-15 Tropicana Interchange first opened in 1966, Las Vegas was a very different city. Clark County had just over 226,000 residents, and the Strip was still in its Rat Pack era when stars like Frank Sinatra and Dean Martin helped put Vegas on the map. The original Tropicana Bridge was built for that time, but wasn't designed for today's traffic or safety needs. Today, Clark County is home to 2.4 million people. Every day, 60,000 vehicles travel through this interchange, and on holiday weekends, nearly 300,000. With Allegiant Stadium, T-Mobile Arena, and the Las Vegas Strip, the I-15 Tropicana Interchange Project called for a transformation to meet the demands of a world-class destination. In 2022, the Nevada Department of Transportation and its partners broke ground on one of the most ambitious transportation projects in Southern Nevada history. With the help of a $50 million federal grant, the I-15 Tropicana project set out to improve safety, mobility, and access for millions of residents and visitors. Crews carefully demolished the old bridge in two dramatic Tropicana weekends, each time reopening I-15 and Tropicana Avenue before Monday morning traffic. Over the next 3 years, more than 700 workers poured 54,000 cubic yards of concrete, placed 300,000 square yards of asphalt, improved more than 2 miles of sidewalks, and installed more than 140 signs. Today, the new Tropicana Bridge stands taller and wider, with 4 lanes in each direction. Ramps and roadways have been rebuilt and expanded. Dean Martin Drive reconfigured, and a brand new roadway, Joey Bishop Drive, added to improve access. Wide sidewalks, landscaping, and upgraded technology make the interchange safer and smarter for the future. The I-15 Tropicana Interchange is more than infrastructure. It's an investment in Nevada's future. Thank you to our partners, our workers, and our community for your patience and support. At NDOT, we're committed to keeping Nevada safe and connected today and for generations to come.